usher in the change with a range of beautifully designed fans from Havells. These underlight, special finish and decorative fans enhance the aesthetics of one's home and come with energy-saving capabilities. Besides this, we also have a range of table, wall, pedestal, high-speed, exhaust and industrial fans that leaves one truly spoiled for choice every summer. Having forayed in the fan business in September 2003, Havells soon transformed itself into a strong and capable competitor owing to its commitment to innovation and superior customer satisfaction. Havells ES50 earned a rave reputation in the industry for being the first, most efficient fan in India. Designed by Havells R&D team in India, this model consumes a paltry 50-watt power. No surprises then that ES50 is today amongst the biggest selling energy-saving fans in India. Havells today can claim for installing India's most modern and largest integrated manufacturing plant for fans in the country. Located in Haridwar, the plant has a manufacturing capacity of more than 6 million fans annually. This integrated manufacturing facility is equipped with state-of-the-art technology that includes an automated 7-tank pre-treatment line to prepare a dust and oil-free surface for electrostatic liquid painting or powder painting. This setup also comes with conveyorized automated liquid painting setup imported from Sames, France, wherein each fan goes through an automated process for painting. Havells also have ultra-modern powder coating plant imported from ITWGEMA, Switzerland, best used for solid color fans. This plant has an automated CNC machining cell with the numeric controlled copper winding machines. This automated setup ensures minimum gap between rotor and motor, thereby making the motor more efficient and the fan even more appealing. The Haridwar plant is also equipped with conveyorized motor assembly and testing line for sealing and portable fans wherein each motor is finished, polished and tested before packing. Havells Haridwar fan plant is the only plant in India that offers in-house winding of portable fan motors. That's not all. Havells is the only company in India that manufactures motors and thus have set up a new unit for the manufacturing of table, pedestal, wall and ventilator domestic exhaust fans. Not only are Havells fans good looking, but they also come with beautiful and sturdy packaging that the entire industry talks about. So, let the wide range of Havells fans bring in a new change and add value to your lifestyle.